Hey, I know you. You're a sophomore at Kennedy, right? I'm glad I ran into you. We need to talk about your classes for next year. Although it seems early, we need to start planning for the courses you want to take as a junior. Here's how it will go down. Today, you will participate in an activity called the Elective Interest Survey to help us know what courses to offer and how many sections of each course we should plan for. In February, you'll meet one-on-one with your counselor to carefully plan for your junior year. In April, after you get your third quarter grades, you'll have the chance to request any changes to your fall schedule. This is the time when many students request advanced classes, such as AP US History or AP English Language. Finally, in August, you'll get your class schedule for your junior year. Today, you will use several documents as well as a computer with Infinite Campus as your tools. Your first tool is the fancy spreadsheet called JFK Electives. This one is customized for your 11th grade year. This will be for reference only. You won't need to write on it or turn it in. You will use it to decide what classes you want to choose. Take a look at that document now. You'll notice that in the second column, labeled Course Code, there are in fact two course codes for each class, one for the first semester and another for the second semester. You'll need both of these later in the process. The third column lists the titles of all the classes you could possibly need your junior year, with the exception of those that will be chosen for you by your counselor. The next few columns contain information that might be useful as you choose classes. The next document is called the Elective Interest Survey, which has some directions for today's activity and also a chart that you will have to write your choices in. This document will be turned into your teacher or to the counselor in your classroom at the end of the period. Don't forget to write your name and ID number on the page. I'll give you a moment to do that right now. The last document is on the reversed side of the Elective Interest Survey. The chart, which should be familiar to you, lists the graduation requirements and A through G requirements. Refer to this chart as you choose your classes. Now, watch me as I choose my classes for my junior year. I'll be referencing the JFK elective spreadsheet and writing with a pen on the elective interest survey. Wish me luck. I will have 6 classes my junior year unless I take a 0 period or something. Today I won't be choosing my English, math, or social studies, which leaves 3 that I need to select, along with alternatives. I'll start with my science. Since I passed biology and chemistry and I did okay in math, I think I'll sign up for physics here. And if that's full, AP Bio. As for my world language, I've been taking Spanish, and I know colleges like to see 3 years on a transcript, so I'll take Spanish 3. Since I don't know any other languages, I'll just leave the second choice blank. And the next choice, maybe not art. I already did my art, which means it's pretty wide open for me. I think I'll give coding a try. And if that's full, maybe digital photography. And of course, I can always change my mind later. Just want to give the counseling office a heads up. Now, I could stop there, but my mom's always harassing me about how I'm so good at making an argument, so maybe I'll set my alarm for 7 a.m. and take a speech and debate class for 0 period. Okay, I think I'm ready for the online portion. Once I've logged in, I'm going to click on the More tab here in Infinite Campus, followed by Course Registration, clickety-clackety. And next year is 2020-21, so I'm going to click that year. You'll notice on the top there is a progress bar showing that my counselor's already added some of my classes. Remember we said math, English, and history would be added by the counselor. Specifically, we can see my counselor has added for math, Integrated Math 2 first semester, and Math 2 second semester, followed by English 11 first semester and second semester, and US History first semester and second semester. Now I'm going to click the blue button, Add Course, for the rest of the classes that I already wrote on my paper. And the first class that I wrote on that page there for science was physics. So I'll search for it. There's first semester. Confirm that that's the right one, and the blue Add Request button. Now go back up to the back button, and we are going to add the second semester. Already added first, you can see there. Time for the second. Clickety. And confirm that's the class and add request. Back button. And you can see it looks like we're making some progress, closer to 100%. The next course that I want as my first choice was for language Spanish 3. And there it is, 1, 2, 3. Spanish 3 first semester. Confirm that's the one, and add request. Back button. Second semester of Spanish 3, there it is. Confirm and add request. And the back button. The next first choice, remember I'm adding all my first choices first, and then I'll go back for my alternates. There's coding. First semester coding, add request, and the back button. And the second semester coding, clickety-clackety. And look at that, folks, 100% complete. Now we get to add all our alternates. So if we look on our page again, you can see what I wanted for my second choice if I couldn't get physics. I'll type it in there, AP Bio, first semester. Now this time I'm not going to click add request because this is an alternate. I will click add alternate. And the back button. And then second semester, AP Bio, add alternate. Notice I'm still at 100%. This is above and beyond the normal schedule. In the next second choice, I'm going to look for digital photography. Oh, wait, it's not in there. Why? If you look at the paper, it says there's not a code for it yet, and that's okay. Just leave it. We will transfer it to Infinite Campus later ourselves. It's all good. Mr. Fry, what about the 0 period? Don't worry about inputting that into Infinite Campus. Just make sure it's on the paper, and we'll take care of it. All right, you guys have been great. Don't forget to thank your teacher and counselor. Turn in that paper to them. Kiss your mom. Tip your Uber driver. Have a wonderful day.